Yeah, Right Auto, we have a 96 17-foot Bayliner, 40th anniversary. This was a personal boat of mine. It's in good condition. It's got 2012 tabs or stickers. Easy load trailer. As you can see, it's in really good shape. Has a very powerful 120 horse, 4-cylinder, new spark plugs, new prop. It's oil and gas mixed. All the glass is in good shape. It's got the walk-through screen. All the lights work. Upholstery is in great shape. These seats fold flat. It's got the ski bar. The tilt and trim on the motor work great. The only thing that it doesn't have is a center cover. It has a new high output Sony with the iPod connection. This boat is pretty much water ready. This is the power up and down for the tilt and trim. There's no issue with the boat mechanically. It also has the tilt for the steering, different sizes. It's adjustable. Depth finder. Speedometer on the tack work. Gas gauge works. Carpet's in great shape. If you have any questions about this boat, feel free to give us a call at Right Auto, 952-882-7776. We're located on Highway 13, directly across from Burnsville Menards, right next door to McDonald's. Thank you.